Do you have yellowed spots under your toilet seat? This is urine that has simply soaked into the fabric of the toilet seat. You can't get rid of it with normal cleaners. You can wipe as you like, it just doesn't work. But in this video I'll show you a trick how you can easily get rid of these yellow stains under the toilet seat. Because all we need for this is actually oven spray. Because the advantage of oven spray is that you can spray this on very easily and it just holds under the toilet lid and then pulls the urine out of the lid, so to speak, and we only have to wipe it away. That is, I have a conventional oven cleaner here and spray the yellow stains full with it now, until the foam is distributed really nice. Also at the edge, because as you can see the yellow spots are already quite pronounced here. And then we should just wait for 10 to 15 minutes. The whole thing can then take effect and afterwards it looks like this. Now you need a slightly older sponge which is not quite so rough and just wipe the whole thing away. As you can see, it really works wonderfully. You might have to apply a little bit of pressure if it's already heavily yellowed, but you'll really get rid of the complete yellow stains under the toilet lid. So if you've already tried wiping and tried different cleaners to remove the whole thing and it didn't work, this little tip is definitely worth its weight in gold. Then wipe it again with a normal damp cloth so that all the remaining foam is gone and everything is nice and clean again. Then your toilet lid looks like new from below and is no longer so ugly yellow. If you do the whole thing regularly, then the staining is not even so strong. If you liked the video, then I would be really happy about a thumbs up. Feel free to write me in the comments if it worked for you too. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new video.